All right, people. Oh my God, crazy town. So you saw earlier it was like super calm out. It was awesome. Now it's windier than heck, so I can barely like get my grill going because it's just gonna burn out. But I got my beer, so I'm good. Let me show you what I got going on. So I got some corn over here, right? We got a little bit of corn cooking. I gotta pull that off. We're gonna pull that off, and I'm gonna throw a little chili. Let me show you what I got going on here. I got some chili butter, garlic butter. This stuff is gonna go all over it. It's gonna be crazy with a little Manchego that I also just grated up. Okay, so I have here, which is crazy town, right? I got some fresh AHI tuna. It's got to go on the grill, and I need to get it going on there right now. I got a little bit of rub on there. Real simple. You know what I did tonight? I did Pappy's. I did a Pappy's rub and a little bit of salt. It was simple. It was easy. It's like, you know what? I'm out somewhere else hanging out with my family. I'm like, what do I got? I got some Pappy's. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna throw some of this on the grill though, because I don't want it to stick. Okay? All right. We're gonna grill. We're gonna put a little bit of oil. Oh, there we go. It was sticking. Woo! Yeah, I like that. Flames. Keep the flames going. All right, let's get the fish on. Okay. Let's get that fish on. Just gonna slap that on there like that. There we go. Guess why? I didn't use my gloves. That's why. All right. Oh yeah. We're just gonna get a nice little char on that. Real simple, real easy, nothing major. We're just gonna let it cook for a couple minutes. Okay. In the meantime, I know my corn is done, so I need to pull it off and I need to husk it. So I'm gonna take one of these bad boys right here. All right. And I'm just gonna husk the hell out of it. All right. We're gonna take that stuff off. I'm just gonna pull it. I use a little oven mitt. I found one in the drawer. It's not my oven mitt, but it's somebody else's, and I'm gonna use it. Okay. So it happens when you go traveling and you're somewhere else's house, right? Okay. So we got the corn. We put that on the plate. Let me get some more corn. Keep that eye on that. Super cool. Okay. We husk the corn. Oh yeah, look at that corn. Sweet, white, and yellow corn. I know, look at the view, right? You're looking at the view. I saw you looking at the view there, Corb. Right?
I was.
So we're excited. We're having a good time. We're on a little trip. We're hanging out with the family. We're meeting up with the mother-in-law. You know, she's got a cool little spot. We get to hang out. It's awesome. And we're making some fish. And we're making some corn. We're making some salsa. And we're trying to make it happen. But I'm telling you, I was trying to make some carne asada earlier. But I couldn't do it because it was so damn windy out. So damn windy. Now it's starting to calm down, which I'm excited about. Ooh, look at this corn. Check it out. Check out this corn. Super cool. Super awesome. Delicious.
Nice.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna taste super good.
Wait until we throw a little bit of that chili butter on it with the garlic in there. It's
Yeah.
gonna be crazy towns what that's
be
gonna be.
amazing.
Right?
That's gonna be so good.
Now that tuna, see, oh no, is my flame going out? See? My flame went out. See, I told you it was windy. No? Is it out? I don't know. Not sure. Let's check. Let's get that corn. Alright, let's check. Oh, I gotta close that up. I'm gonna have to spark that bad boy up again. I told you it's darn windy out here right now. Crazy. It's like, oh, it was so beautiful, so calm, so awesome earlier, and now all of a sudden it's like wind just gusting like crazy. If I didn't have my hat on, you'd see my hair flying around. All right, let me get this going. Let me just make sure. I see flames in there, which is good. Yeah, no, it's still flaming. That's good. Let me just turn it up a little bit. Get more flame, because we want more flame. More flame! More flame, people! All right. I'm sure you guys have all been here before where you're just like, oh my God, I gotta get this on the grill. I gotta get it going. Right? looks good. Corn looks good. Now we need to spray the top of this bad boy fish. I just want to spray it so it doesn't stick. Okay? It's the only reason why I'm doing it. And I don't want it like super overly cooked. I want it just nice and seared. I don't want to go too crazy with it, with the fish. But that's a nice piece of tuna right there. All right? We're just going to slap that up. It's going to be awesome. Let's turn the grill up, get nice and hot. I want it hot. Super hot for that. You just want it to sear. And again, you can do the fish any way you like. You can put any kind of rub on it. You can do salt, pepper, simple. Again, I found some pappies, threw some on, a little bit of salt, a little bit of oil you saw, just so it doesn't stick to the grill, and you're set. Just make sure high heat, sear that stuff up. It's gonna be great. You can see it starting to work already. So let's flip this bad boy over. Oh yeah, look at that.
Nice. Gosh,
Look at that.
looks so good.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Right? That's what we're
Yeah.
talking about. Okay, well that's searing up. Let's throw a little bit of that buttery Manchego on.
Alright.
Okay? Let's get this going over here. So we got our little stack of happiness, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna just throw some butter right on top. We're gonna go butter, garlic, chili pepper. Simple. Look at this. Just go right on top. Oh man, look at that.
Okay.
Right? Just right on top. Just load that stuff up. Oh, I gotta get some of that garlic out of there. Look at that garlic. Oh, just throw some of that garlic on there. Let's get that on there.
Nice.
Oh, buddy.
God, that's gonna be so good.
Oh man. Okay, I'm dumping it. I'm dumping it all on there. Why? Because that's what you gotta do. You just gotta dump it. All right. Then we take the Manchego, right? That I'd freshly grated Manchego, and we throw a little Manchego on there. Look at that stuff. Holy crap, that looks good. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. Look at that. Oh,
So good.
that's crazy. Now the salsa, that's gonna go on top of the fish. And again, I got a little avocado. I've got mango. I've got onion, and I've got all kinds of stuff in there, man. It's crazy. The flavors are so good. The lime, the lemon, the onion, so good. Oh, it's just awesome. Look at that. Look at that.
Nice.
That's gonna go on top of the fish.
Oh, nice.
Okay, as soon as we get the fish off. But look at this corn. Check out that corn. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy looking, right? Oh man, here, let's move it on over here for you. There you go. Check out that corn. All right. Oh yeah, let's go take a look at this fish over here. See how it's coming along. Okay, you can see it's kind of, you still got it nice and raw in here, right? Because that's what you're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want it overly cooked because then it takes the flavor away from it, okay? And I know some of you guys are a little crazy about not having raw fish, but AHI tuna is like the best fish you can have. If you're gonna go raw with anything, fish-wise, go with the AHI tuna first. Test yourself out. Put a little bit, just a little bit of that.
So
it's
good.
it's amazing.
It's insane.
It's crazy good, right?
Melt in your mouth.
I mean,
Seriously.
listen to my kid, man. He's been eating this stuff since he was little.
I eat it. Oh my gosh,
Ah.
it's so good.
So good. All right, so I think I'm good with just enough. I didn't want to go crazy. I just want enough to get it nice and seared on each side. That's all you want. Let me get a plate. Get that plate. We'll throw it on the plate. We'll throw this one on the plate like that. Boom, bam, bingo. Come on over here. There's your fish all set up, ready to go. Yeah, look at that.
That looks so yum.
Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to cut into that, don't I?
Oh, you might. You
wanna
might.
talk to them for a second. Make it nice.
This is gonna be insane. Gosh, I can't wait to dig in.
All right, got my knife. Okay, I'm gonna cut a little piece just so you know what it looks like. All right, you can see the manchego that I've been working earlier. Okay, so we just get a little piece. Look at that. Look at that. It's perfect. Nice and seared. You grab a little salsa. Throw that salsa right on top, like so. Oh man, you got yourself a treat right there, buddy. You got yourself a treat. Oh, that looks good. All right, so that's it. That's all we got, okay? We're hanging out in Tahoe, and we're hanging out with the mother-in-law, and she wanted some corn, so I made her some chili garlic corn with manchego. This is unreal. And you got to go with the view to go with that, right? I mean, come on. That's just crazy town.
You have to.
So lucky.
It's insane.
All right. So we got some we got the corn, sweet corn, and then we got the AHI tuna that I just grilled up with the salsa. Unreal. So good. So tasty. I can't wait to dig into this stuff. It's time to eat, right?
Wait, I cannot wait.
It's time to eat.
Seriously.
So, hey, that's it. That's all we got. We're hanging out. Bingo, bango, everybody. Bingo, bango. And I hope you guys enjoyed that because, you know, it was fun. It was quick. And I was hoping that the wind would die down. It's starting to. But anyway, we pulled something off on the grill. We made some fish. We made some corn. It's awesome. And I hope you guys have a great day. And we'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook.